Who is lion here? Temple is who is he goat here? To whom they are saying all these, to whom they are referring all these. Anyone? Class 11th? Please give the answer. Class 11th? Why you keep mum?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
थोड़ा
What is
कंफ्यूजिंग
science?
है.
Tanvi, would you like to try?
This paragraph is not clear.
Paragraph is not clear. Okay. Anybody else? थोड़ा बहुत भी किसी को समझ में आ रहा हो? A little bit idea at
शायद
least.
रंग हम शायद रंगा यहाँ पे लॉयन की तरह से डिनोट किया गया है और जो रत्ना है उसे ये कोड बोला गया है, तो फिर वही बाद में मतलब बताया कि रत्ना बोलती है कि मतलब मैम पूरा समझ में नहीं आ रहा अच्छे से, थोड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग है ये.
It's confusing one. See, let me explain you. Who is that inside? अब यहाँ पे क्या कहते हैं कि कौन है अंदर? अभी जानना कौन चाहता था? The lion wanted to know. Lion, who is lion here? Ranga. Ranga is lion here. The he goat who had already taken shelter in the temple replied. Ab, what is temple here? Temple here is marriage. Temple here is marriage. He goat is the narrator. He goat is the narrator. The he goat who had already taken shelter. अब क्या कहते हैं यहाँ पे? He goat is narrator. Those who have the books, kindly write it. What I am saying, kindly write it down for your further reference. Had taken shelter in the temple. Temple is means marriage. कहते हैं ये बंदा जो है narrator जो है जो already इसकी शादी हो चुकी है. Does it matter who I am? I am a poor animal who has already eaten 9 lions. अब यहाँ पे क्या कहते हैं, narrator खुद को क्या बोल रहा है कि मैं कौन हूँ? एक poor animal. Poor animal हूँ मैं एक छोटा सा एक बेचारा एक बहुत मतलब एक असहाय सा कौन हूँ? एक जानवर हूँ. Who has already eaten 9 lions. 9 lions मतलब what does it mean 9 lions? I already told you lion is Ranga here. Ab again he is saying that 9 lions. What does it mean? Use some logic.
मैम शायद वो पहले किसी और की भी मैरिज करवा चुका है.
Exactly. Very good. Because he has already done 9 marriages. ठीक है? I have vowed to eat one more. अब now what he is saying here कि मैंने अभी एक शादी और कराने की शपथ दी है. Tell me, are you male or female? कहता है अब बताओ तुम कौन हो, मेल हो या फीमेल हो. The lion fled the place in fear. आप lion fled the place मतलब वो जो रंगा जो है हमारा जिसको यहाँ पे lion बोला गया है वो एकदम वहां से डर की वजह से हट जाता है. क्यों? Because he didn't want to marry at all. Like the he goat I said, what does it matter to either of us who she is? अब यहाँ पे क्या कहते हैं narrator कि मैंने भी उनसे ये बोला कि आपको क्या फर्क पड़ता है कि लेडी कौन है. देखो मेरी शादी ऑलरेडी हो चुकी है. आई एम ऑलरेडी मैरिड एंड यू आर नॉट काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन हु इज गेटिंग मैरिड. तुम तो पहले ही बोल चुके हो कि मुझे शादी करनी ही नहीं है, तो तुम्हें क्या फर्क पड़ता है कि लेडी जो है हु इज शी. एंड व्हाट शी रिप्लाइड हियर very hopefully he asked, she isn't married then what he asked? Ranga asked from the narrator, she's not married. Is she married or not? His voice did not betray his excitement, but I knew it was there. कहते हैं narrator, what is the narrator is saying? I can easily see the excitement, what kind of excitement he had in his eyes just to know about the Ranga's married status. After that, what he replied? Narrator said, she was married a year ago. Yes, she is a married girl. She is a married one. His face shriveled like a roasted brinjal. Up now, the face of Ranga become like a roasted brinjal. After a while, Ranga left. After a while, Ranga left saying, I must go, I have work at home. उसके बाद रंगा जो है वो ये कहता हुआ चला जाता है कि मैं आज से जा रहा हूँ क्योंकि मुझे थोड़ा काम है. I went to our Shastri the next morning and told him. अब who is I here? Who is I here? I told you.
Ranga.
Oh,
Ranga.
it's narrator.
Narrator.
Exactly. Narrator. I went to the Shastri the next morning and told him. Narrator went to the Shastri, मतलब like जो गांव के पंडित जी जो थे उनके पास गए and told him, keep everything ready to read the stars. What he said, आप एक काम करना, आप अपने स्टार जो भी आपके जो एक पैरन फैलिया जो होता है, पैरन फैलिया मतलब जितने भी उनके पेपर्स वगैरह होते हैं जैसे कि वो पढ़ते हैं जन्म कुंडली and all that papers they used to have, keep ready all these things, I'll come later. I tutored him on all that I wanted him to say. अब नैरेटर ने जो कुछ भी वो पंडित जी से कहलवाना चाहते थे वो सब उनको वो पहले से ही सिखाया है, पहले से ही जाके उनको वो बताया है कि that's all you have to say when I'll come later on. With whom? With whom?
Ranga.
Very good. With Ranga. I found no change in Ranga when I met him that afternoon. Ab now, next morning, when narrator went to the Ranga to meet him, he found no change. He was still like that. He was still lost in. He was still lost in what?
Ma'am, वो यही सोच रहा है. He was thinking about the marriage of the girl.
Exactly. He was still thinking about. He was worried about that girl whom he saw in the narrator's house, that she is married. What is the matter? You seem to be lost. अब जो हमारे narrator जो है उन्होंने क्या पूछा कि भाई क्या बात है? What is the problem? तुम इतने lost से क्यों दिखाई दे रहे हो? Why are you seeing so lost? I said, nothing wrong. Believe me. Ranga replied, नहीं कुछ नहीं, nothing. Everything is fine. Headache? Narrator said, headache? Are you suffering from headache? Come. चलो तुम्हें डॉक्टर के पास लेके चलते हैं. I have no headache. I am usual self. कहते नहीं मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. I don't have a headache. Sorry, I've just lost it. Yes, I am my usual self. I am fine. I don't have any problem. I went through the same thing when the process of choosing a girl for me was going on. But I don't think that could be a reason for your present condition. See, here, what the narrator said, ki the condition, the face, what I can observe, your anxiety is sitting on your face, I can easily see. And you are saying there is no problem. And these type of problem, these type of expression, I was suffering from this type of condition. I was suffering from when the process of choosing a girl for my marriage was going on. Choosing a girl for going on. But I don't think that could be a reason. But मुझे तो नहीं लगता कि तुम्हारे साथ ये वाली कुछ प्रॉब्लम है. क्यों? क्योंकि तुम्हें तो शादी करनी ही नहीं है और ना तुम्हारे लिए कोई लड़की देख रहा है. तो तुम्हारे साथ ये कंडीशन क्यों हो रही है जैसे कि मेरी कंडीशन हो रही थी when the choosing a girl process was going on at my marriage time. Ranga stared at me. Everybody know what is stared?
घूरना.
Exactly. Come, let's go and see Shastri. Narrator, what he suggested? चलो, शास्त्री के पास तुमको लेके चलते हैं. We will find out whether Guru and Shani are favorable for you. दिखा के आता हूँ तुम्हारे शनि और जो गुरु जो है वो सब अपनी places पे, they are all their places at not. Ranga accompanied me without any protest. अब जैसे ही narrator ने ये सलाह दी, जैसे ही वैसे ही रंगा जो थे बिना किसी विरोध के उनके साथ चल दिए. एक बार भी उन्होंने he didn't denied. As soon as Shastri saw me, he exclaimed. जैसे ही शास्त्री ने मुझे देखा, what he exclaimed? What a surprise, Shyama! Haven't seen you for a long time. Ab, what a surprise, Shyama! Haven't seen you for a long time. Who is Shyama?
Narrator.
Narrator.
Very good. Now, at the end of the chapter, almost at the end of the chapter, the name of the narrator is being revealed. बिल्कुल एंड में narrator का नाम बताया है, that is श्यामा. शास्त्री क्या कहता है? श्यामा, मैंने तो आपको बहुत दिनों से देखा ही नहीं, आप कहाँ थे इतने लंबे टाइम से? श्यामा is none other than your servant, the narrator of this tale. कहते हैं श्यामा और कोई नहीं, कौन है? आपका सेवक, narrator of this story. I got angry and shouted. What? Only this morning? Shastri completed my sentence. What is the meaning of this line? I got angry and shouted. What? Only this morning? Shastri completed my sentence. Who will make us understand what does it mean? Eleventh class. Anybody understood? What does it mean?
Ma'am, I think the Shastri forgot him that he came at the morning.
Shastri forgot or Shyama forgot?
Ma'am, Shastri forgot that Chama came at the morning to meet him.
Exactly. Narrator forgot. Narrator forgot. And what he said? कहता है मुझे गुस्सा आ गया और मैं चिल्ला के बोला, अरे आज सुबह ही तो हम मिले थे. But शास्त्री completed my sentence. लेकिन शास्त्री को याद था और शास्त्री ने उसका सेंटेंस कंप्लीट किया कैसे कह के, यू फिनिश्ड ऑल योर वर्क एंड नाउ आर नाउ फ्री टू विजिट मी. मतलब अब तुम सारे काम फिनिश करके फ्री हुए हो मुझसे मिलने के लिए. Had he not done so, I would have ruined our plan by bursting like grains that are kept in the sun to dry. Again, had he not done so, I would have ruined our plan by bursting. Now what the narrator is saying, अगर शास्त्री ने ये नहीं किया होता, अगर उसने बीच में मुझे कट करके सेंटेंस नहीं कंप्लीट किया होता, तो मेरा पूरा प्लान जो है वो कैसे खराब हो जाता, जैसे like the grains that are kept in the sun to dry. I was extremely careful of what I said afterwards. जैसे कि हम लोग गेहूं डाल देते हैं ना सूखने के लिए, वो एकदम खराब हो जाए, बारिश आ जाए या कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम हो जाए, तो इस तरीके से मेरा पूरा बनाया हुआ प्लान जो था वो क्या हो जाता, रूंड हो जाता, बिल्कुल खराब हो जाता. अब उसके बाद I got so careful कि अब मुझे क्या कहना है आगे. Understood till here the story?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
शास्त्री टर्न टू रंगा. अब शास्त्री जो है रंगा की तरफ देखने लगता है, जैसा कि जो कि उनको करना था.
0 plus 31, 50.
Yes, class. Sorry, the connection got
Ma'am is
lost.
not in the meeting.
Right. He was instructed by Shastri. Sorry, by Shyama, the narrator. Shastri turned to Ranga. When did the young son of our accountant clerk come home? और क्या पूछता है उससे कि हमारे अकाउंटेंट का जो बेटा जो है क्लर्क, हमारे अकाउंटेंट जो हैं, जो क्लर्क जो है उनका बेटा जो है ये कब वापस आया? What can I do for him? It's very rarely that he visits us. मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ इसके लिए? ये तो बहुत कभी कभार ही हमसे मिलने आता है. कभी कभार. Hardly he comes. Take out your paraphernalia. Arangappa seems to have something on his mind. And now what the narrator said to Shastri, he take out your paraphernalia. Paraphernalia means ये पंडित पुजारी जो होते हैं इनके पास ये पूरे इनके जो पेपर्स होते हैं ना जिसमें से देखते हैं ये पत्रे वत्रे जो होते हैं, that is called paraphernalia. Arangappa seems to have, and what he said कि रंगप्पा के दिमाग में शायद कुछ चल रहा है and he is not able to understand. Can you tell us what is worrying him? कुछ चीज है जो उसको परेशान कर रही है. Shall you put your science of astrology to the test? And now what he said, क्या हम देख सकते हैं कि आपकी एस्ट्रोलॉजी जो आपका ज्योतिष शास्त्र जो है वो कितना अच्छा है, कितना आप सही तक बता सकते हो कुछ? Are you able to reveal anything or not? There was authority in my voice as I spoke to Shastri. कहते हैं मैंने ये शास्त्री से एकदम बहुत अथॉरिटी के साथ बात की, बहुत एकदम मतलब बिल्कुल एकदम फर्म डिटर्मिनेशन के साथ. He took out 2 sheets of paper. He took out 2 sheets of paper, some cauries and a book of palmyra leaves. What he took out? 2 sheets of paper, some cauries. Cauries होते हैं ना, कौड़ी खेलने वाली जो होती है, that is called cauries, and a book of palmyra leaves, saying, ours is an ancient science, Ayya. And what he's replied, कि how can you say that you wanted to put my astrology on test? Our science is too ancient. हमारा ज्योतिष शास्त्र जो है ये भी क्या है, बहुत पुराना है. There is a story to it. कहते हैं इसके पीछे एक बहुत लंबी स्टोरी है. But I won't tell you that story now. लेकिन अभी मैं तुम्हें नहीं बताऊंगा ये. This is not a हरि कथा which allows you to tell a story within a story. And what he said, Shastri, this is not a हरि कथा. ये कोई एक कथा नहीं है जो मैं तुमको सुनाने लगूं. तुमको मैं समझा के पूरा बताऊंगा कि how did you say that? Because he got angry. शास्त्री जो थोड़ा गुस्सा हो गया. क्यों? क्योंकि हमारे जो श्यामा जो है नैरेटर जो है, he said कि shall we put your science of astrology to the test? You may get bored. And what he said कि अगर मैं तुम्हें अभी स्टोरी की तरह सुनाता जाऊंगा तो you may get bored. I'll tell you it to you some other time. मैं इसको तुम्हें कभी फुर्सत में कभी जब टाइम मिलेगा then I'll tell you about the story. Shastri moved his lips fast as he counted on his fingers and then asked. अब शास्त्री जो थे वो क्या कर रहे थे, कुछ ना कुछ काउंटेड कर रहे थे. He kept on counting something on his fingers and asked, what is your star? To whom he asked, what is your star?
Ranga.
मैम रंगा से पूछ लो.
Ranga didn't know. Never mind. Ranga कहते मुझे नहीं पता. वो कहते चलो कोई बात नहीं. Shastri indicated with a shake of his hat. He did some more calculations before saying in a serious tone. अब वो कुछ और कैलकुलेशन करता है और क्या बोलता है एकदम सीरियस होके, it is about a girl. कहते हैं तुम्हें जो प्रॉब्लम जो है, you are worrying about, you are thinking about a girl. I had been controlling my laughter all this while. Who is I here?
मैम नैरेटर श्यामा.
Narrator. Now what he's saying, कि इस पूरे टाइम जब Shastri and Ranga they both were talking at that time and he said that it is about a girl. तो मैं पूरी तरीके से अपनी हंसी को रोक रहा था. But finally I laughed. I turned to Ranga और मैंने रंगा की तरफ देखा और बोला देखा exactly what I had said. Shastri ji is also saying the same thing what I had said to you. Who is the girl? It was your humble servant who asked the question. Who asked the question? Who asked the question?
Narrator.
मैम नैरेटर.
Narrator.
To whom?
मैम रंगा.
शास्त्री.
Ranga.
शास्त्री.
Shastri. Shastri thought for a while before replying. Ab Shastri ji was thinking she probably has the name of something found in the ocean. And what she said, and what he said, the name of the girl probably will start something found in the ocean. Ab now narrator said, okay, is it Kamal? Kamal फूल उसने बोला ना उस लड़की का नाम कुछ ऐसा मिलता जुलता है जो चीजें ओशियन में मिलती हैं. तो he said, is it Kamal? बोलते maybe. Could it be Pachi moss? Pachi moss is what? What is Pachi moss? Pachi moss is fungus. Fungus जो पानी के जो वाटर बॉडीज होती है उसके आसपास जो ग्रीन ग्रीन कलर की लगी होती है ना फफूंद टाइप की, that is called Pachi moss. Must it be a moss if not Kamla? अब now narrator is saying, अच्छा कमला नाम नहीं है, अच्छा Pachi moss भी नहीं है. Why not pearl or ratna? The precious stone. तो कहते हैं कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं है कि कोई नाम pearl जैसा हो, pearl, a precious stone. Ratna, the girl in Ramarao's house is Ratna. Shastri said, yes, maybe the pearl or the Ratna. The girl in Ramarao's house is Ratna. Tell me, is there any chance of our negotiation bearing fruit? What he replied, what he said, narrator, कि Shastri ji, please tell us, the Ratna named girl lives in Ramarao's house. She is the niece of Ramarao's. Is there any chance? क्या कोई चांस है कि उससे हमारी बात बन सकती है? Definitely, he said after thinking for some time. थोड़ी देर सोचने के बाद शास्त्री जी कहते हैं बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बन सकती है. There was surprise on Ranga's face. Ranga was surprised after listening that, and some happiness और थोड़ा खुश भी था. I noticed it, and narrator can see it very easily. But that girl is married. But what he said, लेकिन वो लड़की तो शादीशुदा है. He said. Then I turned to him. His face had fallen. जैसे ही मैंने फिर उसके चेहरे की तरफ देखा, तो उसका पूरा चेहरा जो था रंगा का वो फिर से एकदम मुरझाया हो गया. I don't know all that. There may be some other girl who is suitable. I only told you what our Shastra indicated. Shastri said. अब शास्त्री जी, what he said? I don't know all that. कहते मुझे नहीं पता कि वो मैरिड है कि क्या है. मैंने तुमको यही बता, हो सकता है कोई और लड़की सुटेबल हो, बट मैंने तुमको वही बताया है जो तुम्हारे सितारे जो हैं, जो तुम्हारे स्टार्स जो हैं, जो मुझे इंडिकेट कर रहे हैं, मैंने तुमको वही बताया है. We left the place. हमने वो जगह वहां से छोड़ दी. वी कौन है यहाँ पे? Who is we?
Narrator and Ranga.
Ranga and narrator.
Narrator
and
Ranga.
Ranga. Very good. On the way, we passed by Ramarao's house. When they were coming from the Shastri's house to their house, in the meanwhile, on the way, Ramarao's house was there. What the narrator said? Ratna was standing at the door. Ratna जो थी वो कहाँ खड़ी हुई थी? अपने घर के बाहरी दरवाजे पे. I went in alone and came out a minute later. Our narrator, Shyama, went in their house and came out a minute later. एक मिनट बाद उसके घर में गए और एक मिनट बाद वो वापस बाहर आ गए. Surprising, this girl isn't married. और बाहर आके क्या कहते हैं? Surprising, this girl is not married. It seems someone told me the other day that she was. अब वो रंगा से क्या कहते हैं? Oh, it's quite surprising. ये लड़की जो है ये शादीशुदा नहीं है. मुझे शायद किसी ने कभी बताया था कि she was married. That's why I told to you. What Shastri told us has turned out to be true after all. कहते हैं शास्त्री जी जो बता रहे थे वो एकदम सही हो रहा था. But Rangappa, I can't believe that you have been thinking of her. लेकिन रंगा, मुझे विश्वास नहीं हो रहा कि तुम सच में इसके बारे में सोच रहे थे. swear on the name of Madhavacharya and tell me, is it true what Shastri said? Madhavacharya is the local god of there. ठीक है, जो लोकल भगवान जो होते हैं, तो उनके वो बोलता है कि तुम उनकी कसम खा के बोलो माधवाचार्य की कि क्या शास्त्री ने जो बोला, is it correct? Are you really thinking about that girl? I don't know whether anyone else would have been direct. Ranga admitted. What he said, Ranga, मेरे को नहीं पता. I don't know कि कोई इतना एकदम सटीक कैसे बता सकता है कि yes, I was thinking about her. There is a greater truth in the Shastra than we imagine. What he said is absolutely true. और क्या कहते हैं, सच में ये जो शास्त्र जो है हमारे, जो एस्ट्रोलॉजी जो है, इसमें really there is a truth. जितना कि we cannot imagine, there is a truth. Yes, exactly. What he said is absolutely true. Shastri was at the well when I went there that evening. अब उसी शाम, at the same day, evening time में, our narrator met with Shastri. कुएं के पास वो शास्त्री जी से मिलता है. I said, so Shastri Gale, you repeated everything I had taught you without giving rise to any suspicion. कहते हैं शास्त्री जी, आपने तो कमाल कर दिया. आपने तो एग्जैक्टली बिल्कुल वैसे ही बताया सब कुछ जैसा कि मैंने आपको बोला था, और किसी को कोई शक भी नहीं हुआ. रंगा को कोई शक भी नहीं हुआ. What a marvelous shastra yours is. He didn't like it at all. What a marvelous shastra yours is. कहते हैं आपके शास्त्र तो बहुत बढ़िया है, आपने तो बिल्कुल किसी को पता भी नहीं लगने दिया और सारा काम हो गया. But he didn't like it at all. Who is here?
रंगा.
No.
मैम शास्त्री.
Who is here?
मैम शास्त्री.
I'm narrator.
Exactly, Shastri. अभी यहाँ पे तो they both are talking ना, only Shastri and Shyama. He didn't like it at all. अब क्यों? Why he is not liking it? Only 1-2 paragraph is left with us. Tomorrow we'll do writing portion. Why he didn't like it, beta?
Ma'am, because he forgot his plan.
He forgot?
His plan.
No, not at all.
Ma'am, because वो झूठ बोलकर शादी करवा रहा था.
No.
मैम क्योंकि शास्त्री दिखाना चाहते थे कि उनके शास्त्र जो है वो उससे ही उन्होंने ये सब जाना है.
Exactly. Very good. Because actually it happened. Shastri said what his Shastra indicated. उन्होंने exactly वही बताया था जो उनके शास्त्र को बोल रहे थे रंगा के बारे में. What are you saying? What you said to me was what I could have found out myself from the Shastra. कहते तुम ये क्या बोल रहे हो? मैंने वही बोला है, मैंने वही बताया है रंगा को जो exactly मुझे उसके stars बता रहे थे. Don't forget, I developed on the hints you had given me. कहते हैं कि तुमने जो भी कहा, तुमने मुझे खाली हिंट दी थी, right? लेकिन मैंने सच्चाई बताई है, मैंने कोई झूठ नहीं बोला उसको. Tell me, is this what a decent man says? कहते हैं जैसे तुम तरीके से तुम बात कर रहे हो, क्या अच्छा आदमी कोई ऐसे बात करता है शास्त्री से? मतलब शास्त्री जी गुस्सा हो जाते हैं. रंगप्पा had come on the other day to invite me for a dinner. अब रंगा जो है वो दूसरे दिन आते हैं, किस लिए? रंगा जो है वो कब आता है? उनको इनवाइट करने के लिए. For what? Dinner. किसको इनवाइट करने के लिए? To whom he is invited here?
Narrator.
मैम narrator श्यामा.
What is the occasion? I ask. It's Shyama's birthday. अच्छा, ये ऊपर वाली जो स्टोरी थी ना, शास्त्री और उनकी मीटिंग जो थी,